Okay, what you can see there is the oil line coming from my little shed into the Babington burner. And then this here's the hot water outlet. This here is the hot water inlet. And in my shed, I've got a 3,000 litre tank that I'm heating. Here's the pump that's circulating the water around. There's the little, can that's got the oil in it to supply the Babington burner. I thought I'd keep it in here to keep it nice and warm. And there you go, there's a bit of my system. Incidentally, the tank is about 3,000 litres, and I get a couple of nights of heat out of the tank from my hydronic system.